What's going on, everybody? Today we're gonna do for dinner, we're gonna cook some salmon, and this is actually from Sam's right there, and some shrimp. So I've actually gotten pretty good at doing the salmon, so I'm gonna show you a little bit of that's how simple it is to make it. And sometimes when you buy the salmon, it's gonna have it's gonna be like a half shell kind of thing. This one doesn't look like it's got the skin on the back, so oh yeah, it does. So in that case, when you have the skin on the back when you buy it at Sam's or HEB, what you want to do is you want to cook that one on the pit, and we'll do a video on that one on how to cook that one in the pit. But for now, we're gonna do this one in the oven. Vamos a hacer este segmento en español también. Hoy para la cena vamos a hacer un poquito, tratarlo de hacer un poquito saludable. Este es el salmón de aquí que compras. Este es de Sam's. Quiera que vean ustedes, deben de ver un Sam's por ahí. Parece ser que Walmart lo tiene también, pero no va a estar igual de grande como este. Lo que le estaba diciendo yo a la gente es de que a veces te lo venden así, que tiene el pellejo por afuera. Y si te lo venden así, es mejor hacerlo en el asador. Pero entonces por el día de hoy lo vamos a hacer aquí en el horno. Y también vamos a hacer unos camaroncitos. Y les enseño cómo los hago. Houston, we have a problem. The number one ingredient that I like to use is not in my house. Minced garlic seems to be short, and I don't see it. No way, man. Can't do it. Gotta have minced garlic. What's that over there? Ah, no, ese también le puede echar poquito. A little bit of Tito's. Never hurt nobody. I myself don't drink vodka, but no. Gonna have to go in and get some. Looks like Mama Bear's here today already. Hey, babe. Houston, we have a problem. There's no minced garlic. Okay guys, so we now have our ingredients here. We didn't find any minced garlic, but we got some garlic salt, onion, chopped onion, garlic pepper, a couple of other little ones, and the main one is, bam, some lemon pepper. Lemon pepper. So no llamamos minced garlic, pero tenemos esto de aquí. Pues vamos a ver cómo sale, porque sin el minced garlic no tengo mucha confianza, mucha fe. Pero vamos a usar también un poquito de aceite de oliva. Right, Munchkin? You gonna help me cook?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay. Yeah. Space. Preheat. Really?
Okay, we're gonna get started with the shrimp. Vamos a empezar con el camaroncito. Está peladito. Coming down. How to make this. Miren, like you're gonna make a YouTube channel. Huh? Miren, like you're gonna make a YouTube channel. Alright. That's what I'm talking about.
We have two buckets.
Primerito, un poquito más de mantequillita. Al cabo que pues es de la buena. Can't believe it's not butter. Una vueltecita aquí. Y estos ya están cocidos. These are pre-cooked, so they're not gonna take that long. So let me start off with some of this New Orleans Cajun seasoning. Normally I like to keep keep them non-peeled because it absorbs all the juices, but somebody prepared them for me and they took it all off, so these are gonna have to be peeled shrimp. Some of this lemon pepper right here. Some of the garlic pepper. Not so much, you don't want to make it too garlicky. And then, so we used the New Orleans Cajun rubber, regular Dollar General lemon pepper, some garlic pepper. For butter, I use, I can't believe it's not butter. So for now, you can cook.
It's a lot.
Alright. Cook. Alright, now onto the salmon. Salmon. So we have preheated the oven at 350. This is actually going to be my first time doing the salmon on the oven plate. Normally, I was telling you guys earlier that if the salmon that you buy has only one side filleted, it's basically like a half shell kind of thing, it's best to do it in the pit. So since I'm not going to do it on the pit because I'm kind of pressed for time, see how that's got that half filleted and half got the skin on it. So what we're going to do is just going to do it as if it was on the pit, just like that. Okay. And since we do not have minced garlic, which is the main ingredient that I like to use, I like to spread some little butter on it like that. And then the minced garlic is like the key. So unfortunately, I thought I had minced garlic, but I had to settle for other products that you can just find at your local Dollar General. And see how it turns out. But other than that, it should turn out for just fine. Now on this, you do want to put some oil. I don't like the spray oil. That's the only thing I got right now. It seems like I'm all out of sorts of ingredients today. We'll put some of that so it can pick up a little bit. And this is healthy olive oil. Bueno, decía que si como no tengo ese minced garlic, que es lo que me gusta más usar, pero por ahorita como no tengo minced garlic, tenemos que usar estos productos de la tiendita de la esquina. Y doy cuenta que como si está en el asador, es lo mismo aquí. Y pon la mantequita por arriba. Puede ser mejor con un tenedorcito, digo, con un cuchillito plano. Matter of fact, let me get that. We've been known to make some pretty mean salmon. I mean, this is just the fast version. We'll do one outside in the pit. That's the one that's like smoked salmon. Gosh, man, it's the best. So if you want to eat healthy, all you have to do is just eat it with a fork, and then plus, you know, get a nice little drink of choice. Preferably some Miller Lights, or you know, non-alcoholic beverage, whichever floats your boat. It's the lemon pepper, main ingredient, lemon pepper.
Oh, there you go.
See, we love lemon pepper, so kind of just, you know, fill it up. Nos encanta a nosotros el lemon pepper. I'm gonna tell you to do the garlic pepper, no mucho. Y por ahorita es todo lo que le vamos a poner. ¿Hay limones, Lupita, o no?
Sí, hay.
We'll sprinkle a little bit of lemon on top of we already had some lemon pepper, but como quiera le podemos poner limoncito natural. A la natural. Right, so. Okay guys, just a little footnote for you guys. When I went to the doctor a couple years ago, they told me you should eat fish at least once a week. So, you know, salmon's always a good one. There's a lot of restaurants that got salmon, so try to keep fish in your diet once a week. So it's going. Ahí va, ahí va. Whoa. So ya salieron. It took what, maybe about 10 minutes the most. Unos 10 minutitos. That's shrimp right there. Good. Did you eat the shrimp, dude? Come on.
A little hot, dude.
Pretty good.
You're not gonna record me. Stop.
Come on, just eat the shrimp. Eat the shrimp. Eat the shrimp. Eat the shrimp. I'm sorry, what? What was that? What was that?
Yeah, that's really good.
What was it?
That's actually really good.
That's good. Why doesn't this let me?
Monetize your videos whenever you get to 1,000.
About 6 minutes left. That's at about 15 minutes. Quedan como unos 15 minutos para checar. Por ahí va. So we can see how the color of the salmon's already getting orangey. Ya está poniendo naranjadito. Es cuando ya más o menos está listo. Tiene 20 minutos en el horno. Echamos un poquito más de mantequilla. Even my little princess is eating my shrimp. All right, was it good? How good? 1 through 10. Don't lie.
That been good.
All right, here we go. The finished product. Salmon a la Dollar General. But yeah, there you got it. Look, see, you can see nice and cooked. This is a total of about 20-30 minutes on the oven. You see right there. Take a little peek.
Oops.
What?
That right there.